How to send a gift message on Instagram. Welcome to another Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a gift message that can be opened up by the recipient and then they can see the message. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to send a gift message on Instagram, we need to open up the Instagram app, then select the message icon on the top right, and then select the person that you want to send a message to. Now what we need to do is start composing the message that we want to send. When you start typing, you'll see a search icon to the left of the text that you're typing. Select that. Then at the top, you'll see a gift. Now you may have to swipe from right to left to find it, but go ahead and select the gift. And when you select that, it'll send that gift message to the person. Now when they receive the message, they'll see the gift and all they need to do is tap it and then it will display the message that you sent to them. All right, so that's how you send a gift message on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.